Welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles left, the JigSaw Sudoku and the 4 Stars Sudoku. In this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday edition. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, this is the Dutch King. He needs to pay his income tax this year. All those years he has not paid the income tax, but now there's a law and he needs also to pay the income tax. All right. That's the news of today. This one 4 Stars Sudoku will be number 7823. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Well, this one is actually a true 4 Star Sudoku. Yeah. 4 Star Sudoku has always 24. And for 4 Stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 4 3s. Alright. We have here 1 4. We have here 3 5s. 4 6s. Alright. 2 7s. 3 8s. And 1 9. Yeah, 1 9. So the 3s and the 6s are a majority. Can I start with a 6? Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 now in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. Let me think. Need a 2 here. Need a 3 here. Okay. Need a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 5. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay, 3 3. 2 in this row, 2 in a row below. So last row, the only place level 2 should be there. Then need an 8 here, need a 9 here, need a 7 here. Okay. Alright. And now I'm stuck, I believe. Need a 3 here. But the 6s also there. 3. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second. Oh wait, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the fifth column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 there, and I need a 3 there. Alright. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 8, and then 9. Well. 8, 9, and the 7. Come on. 9. 9. 1. Ay. 497. 497. I'm stuck. Need a 6 there, need a 3 here. 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 7, 4, 4. Well, in this column we need a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 place level 4 could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 place level 1 could be here, could be there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 place level 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. 7 and a 9. Let me think. This box, get me one. I need an 8 here. 8. Need an 8 here. Well. Need 7. Need 7 here. Need 7 there. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column. Middle column. No 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 place left for the 1. Could be here. Could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. 4. 4. Come on. 3. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left with 3 could be here, could be there. 1, yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179, 179, and look, we have 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this row, last row, should be here. So the 7 and the 9 are left. Cannot fill this yet. But we have 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 now in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Right, and now. Let me see, 2, 2, okay. Well, in this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now in this row, so this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright, 8 and then 9. Okay, 2 missing numbers here. In the first column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Alright, here also 7 and a 9. 7, 9, and I need a 4 here. How about these 2 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this big square, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7, 9. 3, 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Well, 4, 7, 9. Here, 8, 9, and 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left 6 should be here. On there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Okay. Alright. Now, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So what are these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Here also 4 and a 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 3, 7, 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 I should be there. 4. Well, I need a 4 here. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot me down. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 7 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 9 then. So we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 4, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the 4, should be there. Then need an 8 here, okay, 3 and a 7. So 2 numbers left here in this row, the 3 and the 7 are left, okay. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7 and the 9. Okay. 8 and the 4, 8, 4 and the 3, need a 3 here. Well, in this row, the first row, we need a 3. Here can be 3 because we have a 3 in this big square, no 3 there. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in the first row should be there. Alright. So 2 numbers left here in the first row, the 8 and the 4. 8 and the 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. Sorry, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 9 and the 7, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. 7 and a, no, wait. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. And 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 3 and a 7, the last 2 numbers. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, finish in 19 minutes. Well. I'm pleased with the time. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes and I'm well pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.